Hi there, class. All right, here is how you make a copy of the template for the ePortfolio we'll be using in this class. So you should see something similar. I'm looking at ePortfolio on our page. You can also just go to the ePortfolio link. I'm going to click on it from here though. Now I'm automatically logged in, but if you haven't logged into ePortfolio before, you're likely going to have to use your UA username and your UA email and password to be able to get into this page in the eWolf ePortfolio website. You may need to go to courses over here. I can just scroll down and I can see this may not be your exact class, but one that says UNIV 150. So I have two of these because I teach two of these classes, but you should only have one. And when you click on this, you are going to come to a page that looks something like this. My screen might look a little bit different from yours, but what you're going to look for here is ePortfolios. When you click on this, you'll see the Spring 22 template, or if you're watching this in a future semester, you might see whatever the template is there, and you're going to create the ePortfolio from templates. You click on this. You're going to add your ePortfolio name. So I might put Solveig Pedersen, right? I'm going to add test just so that I can know that this is a test for me. But you can just put your own and then click create down at the bottom of the screen here. Once you've clicked create, you'll see this doing its work here to create this for you. Watch these things be done. You can close this out. And here we go. On my screen here, I have Solveig Pedersen test. If I click on this, I come to my own copy of the ePortfolio template for this course, and I can start modifying this. There's instructions here to help you remember how to modify things, and you should be all set from there. So hopefully this helps you to get a quick tutorial sense on how to copy the template to make your own for our course. I'm excited to see your ePortfolios.